Hail Trackers, this is Derek Klein coming to you from the Hail Palace, and we've got an active month ahead, and so we wanted to jump in and take a look at the forecast for the next couple of days. Also wanted to take a look at the forecast for the rest of the month to let you know what to expect hail-wise across the United States as we go through the month of April. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. We're going to take a look first at the forecast for the next couple of days, taking a look at Tuesday, March 31st. So we've got southwest Oklahoma, we've got northwest Texas getting some severe weather, some active weather, and some big hail is possible. We'll fine-tune this forecast as we go through tomorrow, so expect an update from us tomorrow morning. But the way it looks right now, we've got the potential for large hail. The hail will be large. There's a lot of instability out there, so that is a max on the size there on the high side. The chance of hail, though, a little bit lower, only about a 20% chance at any one location. This one for Wichita Falls, Texas, and wind-driven hail definitely possible, 65-mile-per-hour winds. Current indications right about 5 to 9 p.m. For the hail time. Again, we'll fine-tune this forecast as we head through the day tomorrow, so expect updates from us as we go through the day tomorrow. But taking a look at April the 1st, Wednesday, the area grows and it moves up to the north a little bit. So you folks up in Omaha, Kansas City, possibly Wichita, down through Woodward, Oklahoma, and then potentially down towards Shamrock and Wheeler, Texas. There's some little towns. We could have some large hail as we go through the day on Wednesday, and then that area is going to shift over to the south and east as we go through the day on Thursday, April the 2nd, so southern Missouri, Springfield, Tulsa, potentially Oklahoma City if things slow down a little bit, but definitely Dallas as we head through the day Thursday. The hail opportunity is going to be there. So an active week in store for the plains and parts of the central southern plains really, but things again staying active, and that's going to continue as we go through the rest of the month as well. So taking a look at the forecast for April right now, this is what we've got. Stacks up, looks like the month's going to start active, it's going to end active as well, but the plains, the southern plains specifically between now and the 10th, we get a little bit of a pattern change where things will begin to shift a little bit more to the north, also a little bit more to the east, and the southern plains, they're going to stay active during this time period as well. So everybody begins to start to see some severe weather as we go through the middle and latter part of April. The southern central plains, again, Dixie Alley, Tennessee, Kentucky, Mississippi, Alabama, potentially Georgia, could have some significant outbreaks of hail as we go through the month of April. So we've got a lot to watch as we go through the next month, and it looks like it's going to be an active pattern. We forecasted this back in January and February, so this isn't anything new. This is what we've been expecting as we went into the month of April, and again, it looks like it's starting to come true for us. So taking a look at the map right now, here's what we've got. So we've got some polar air back up here in the northeast, and we've got some warm air back off to the west. We've got the subtropical jet, and then we've got the polar jet. So this pattern is going to shift as we go through this week, really, and so we're going to begin to get a trough out here to the west, and we're going to have some warm air that's going to surge up, more warm air, and we'll have the dry air out in the west, and voila, you get an area, the battleground that we like to call it here in the Hail Palace. So right across this area, we're going to see a lot of severe weather as we go through this week. As we go through the second half of April, really doesn't change a whole lot. We just lift things a little bit further to the north. So Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois is going to quit snowing, and we're going to start to warm up, and we're going to get that potential for some severe weather as the cool air continues to try to battle, but the warm air is going to win. It's going to keep pushing to the north, and everybody's going to start to see more severe weather across the United States. Right now, this is where we think the most likely area for severe weather, and specifically hail, is for the United States for the second half of April. And here's what it really breaks down to. Here's what it looks like. So again, the most severe weather, Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi, Texas. Again, average severe weather potential back here in the southeast. Storms really unlikely up here in the northeast. Now, you folks are going to get yours as we head into May and June. That's when your opportunity will go up. And then I think later as we head towards the first part of May, expect some severe weather up in the north central plains as things begin to really warm up across that part of the country. So if you have any questions, if there's anything that we can do for you, please make sure to give us a shout. Info@hailtrace.com is a way to get a hold of us. You can also call us at 855-334-4245. And we hope everybody out there has a great day.